I know a lot of people right now, you may have your work or job interrupted, or you may have all this time on your hands and you're working on figuring out what your next step is and what you want to do rather than what you need to do. A lot of people are sitting at home thinking about what their next moves may be. So this is a perfect opportunity and time to talk about how to connect to your intuition so that you may be guided. The best way to really gain clear guidance on what your true calling in life is to get into that clear space so that you're not bogged down with all these different ideas and different thoughts, because our thoughts are never our own. It always comes from some kind of societal programming, which comes from either our parents or our teachers, our friends, peers, TV, music, pretty much everything we see on a daily basis. There's going to be a huge paradigm shift in the way that we do things and the way that we see and perceive and how we express consciousness. So it's perfect time to start practicing that. So really get clear, and you can do this by just meditating and getting into that space of calm and clarity and peace so that you can actually have the universe come in and give you inspiration rather than trying to figure things out by yourself through your logical thinking, because it is all based on societal beliefs, thinking, rituals. So this is the time to really nurture our own individuality, and the only way to do that is to be able to clear our minds of all that societal programming, all that peer programming, and come into connection and contact with Source and with the divine so that we can really figure out what it is that truly makes us happy. Take a week and meditate. Take all day if you can, or do a few hours at a time. Immediately from that space, you will find a sense of just clarity, a sense of peace, a sense of just calm where you're not worried about what the next move is, so that the universe can bring to you inspired ideas. And that way, you will know that these ideas are not coming from your logical mind, which is always based on what you think you need to do, because either you need to survive, you need money, or maybe what someone would approve of, what your parents would approve of, what your girlfriend or your husband would approve of. Clear out all that stuff, and then kind of just let thoughts come into your mind as your mind is clear. And just be aware of these thoughts and be conscious of these thoughts. You might write them down and pay attention to the ones that pop up most often during this week of meditation, this week of clarity. Also, see when these thoughts and ideas pop up, how you feel about them, and see if there is an accompanying feeling of passion, of joy, of gratitude or love that comes along with what you're inspired to. And it's extremely vital to make sure that when you are in these spaces of calm and clarity, that you do also make an effort to connect to divine love and to gratitude. So all you need to do is, once you're in that space of clarity, start thinking about something that you're grateful for or something that you love doing, and then just let that feeling arise inside you, and then hold that feeling, and then just meditate on that feeling as much as you can during the day. And this will melt away any kind of fears or anxiety about whatever you're inspired to, so that you can truly have clarity about how you are a infinite conscious creator, and that whatever you put your mind and focus and elevated positive emotion towards, you will manifest into your life, guaranteed. So it's really important to come from this place of joy and fulfillment and love and gratitude, so that you are not tricked by your logical mind into believing that you cannot accomplish these things that you really really are inspired to do and that you're really passionate about. So it's really vital to always get into a positive, good, loving state, joyful state, and then make your decisions based off of that, because then you're not making your decisions based off of lack or fear. And a lot of people are held back from doing what they really love doing because they have other so-called obligations to meet financial needs or to make somebody else happy. In those moments of clarity, you can see your goal clearly and you know that those goals are absolutely attainable. And throughout the whole process of bringing these goals to life, following your true calling, the first step is not going to be the end-all, be-all of what you're wanting to accomplish, but the first step will be revealed to you. And once you have a clue, or once you get inspiration about what steps, or even just one step to take, and that's enough. And you have to trust that the road will unfold as you take each step. You have to make sure that it's something that instills passion inside you, it instills joy, it instills a sense of purpose and a sense of fulfillment. And also, you want to make sure that whatever it is, that you're not focused on doing this because you want money out of it. Now, money will come because whatever you're inspired to will be something that makes you happy when you do it. It will make you feel fulfilled, it will make you feel joyful. So you are going to be fully and freely and happily putting your time into it. And because of that, you will get so good at it that it is guaranteed that you will make money from it. Also, make sure that whatever it is that you're inspired to is also something that will help others, that will benefit others, because whatever we do that also benefits others will benefit ourselves as well. Remember that the road to the goal will begin to reveal itself step by step. Let the universe bring to you in your clear space, in your clear mind, what that first step is. And if that step feels really good to you, no matter how small or big it is, just start going in that direction. So I hope this video was helpful in helping you figure out what it is you truly desire to do from that space of clarity. And if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, because every thumbs up does help. And as always, I thank you for watching. Again, my name's Jason, and remember that you are the change.